On है. Okay, this meeting is being recorded, no problem.
Any problem with that?
I have no problem. What about you? Lighting problem? No problem.
No problem. I'm in a very serious mood today.
मैं भी सीरियस होना चाहता हूँ पर अंदर से आ नहीं रही फीलिंग मतलब
वो
पर
नेचुरली आता नहीं है.
पिछले तो 2 हफ्तों में हाल हुआ है हमारा तो थोड़ा तो सीरियस होना पड़ेगा.
पर वो नेचुरल सीरियस जीन आपके अंदर है नहीं मेरे ख्याल से. आई वांटेड टू आस्क यू दिस वेरी ऑनेस्टली ऑफ कैमरा आल्सो, बट नाउ दैट द कैमरा इज ऑन, हैव यू ऑलवेज बीन अ बिट ऑफ अ कार्टून थ्रू लाइफ? Like
नहीं यार, like
thinking,
I had serious patches, you know what I mean? Like, you know, you came in with the in the stands show when you came back, you know. I think was it last year? Last to last year? No,
it was
last year.
last to last. It was last year.
Last
It
year.
was last. Yeah.
Last year, I think January, February, something like that.
आपने शो का नाम लिया तो शो का मग भी दिखाना
Uh,
था.
yeah, yeah, man. So, like, of course, I have been serious and I've been through those
Tough
patches
times.
where things were hard, but
Hmm.
you try to live with it and make the most out of it. You know, come out of it. That's the main thing.
Not right now. Sorry, someone was knocking on my door. दीदी, आलू के पराठे बना दो, बस आप रख दो, मैं रिकॉर्ड कर रहा हूँ.
ये आना चाहिए शो के अंदर.
आप पनीर के बना दो.
Saying no.
दीदी कह रहे आलू नहीं है, पनीर के पराठे बना दो यार. बंदे को भूख लग रही है, कुछ भी बना दो खाने के लिए.
नहीं,
क्या हो
बात तो
जाएगा?
सही है. पराठे प्रायोरिटी.
पराठे पराठे. बट पाजी, let's see if Arsenal remains remains in their ecosystem, in their brains, whether the title remains their priority, because it just feels like it's not seeming like it's there anymore. And City and Arsenal battle it out tomorrow. This episode will be out
So
by
I think I mean we should put this episode before the game.
100%.
Uh,
100%.
but I feel like I think it's now or never. This game is the title decider. This
City
game is
Arsenal.
the title. City Arsenal. I think if Arsenal wins this game, I think the title race is over. Because mentally, एक तो वो लोग ऊपर हो जाएंगे और सिटी mentally नीचे हो जाएगी.
Hmm.
But if City by any chance gets this win, then they have that advantage, mental advantage कि देखो बेटे अब आ गए हम पीछे. But अगर हो गया तो I feel like Arsenal still has a very good chance here. It's just
Yeah.
all of us have been used to seeing them in this position and then bottling it. But now I feel like things are a bit different. They are doing well in the Champions League, ठीक है? And this time around they have decent players as well who are still performing even though injuries वगैरह रही है उनको
Havertz is
काफी.
back. Havertz is back for this
हाँ,
game. Eligible to play once
तो
again.
आई फील लाइक कि थिंग्स आर बिट डिफरेंट दिस सीजन. पहले उनके पास वो दैट स्ट्राइकर नहीं था, ये नहीं था, वो नहीं था. राया भी मे बी ही वाज नॉट दिस गुड.
Hmm.
Other keepers who were playing, they were not as good as Raya.
Hmm.
So, and if they will be crown champions, I think everyone will be not surprised. So, bottling it would be a surprise.
Paji, I have a few stats for you. Okay, now Arsenal in their last five against City have remained undefeated against them. If you care for stats at all, we all say football is a game that's played on the
The
day, but
city has been undefeated.
Arsenal has been unbeaten against City for the last five Premier League games. Okay, but
Ooh.
before the last five Premier League games, 12 consecutive losses थे आर्सेनल के सिटी के अगेंस्ट. 12 consecutive losses, which is basically 6 seasons in a row, home and away, they've lost to Arsenal before the last five games. So obviously there's been some sort of a mental shift that's happened within the Arsenal camp also,
Did
right?
Arsenal win the last game against City?
Yeah, it was a 1-1 draw. 1-1 draw.
Ah, so
Yeah, 1-1 draw. So देखो देखो
this is in Man City's home. This is in Man City's home. I feel like और ये बर्नार्डो सिल्वा का लास्ट सीजन भी है मैन सिटी के लिए. अभी भाई ने दे दिया थोड़ा थैंक यू वाला नोट.
hmm,
तो I'm sure that he's done that on purpose now
right.
to like kind of motivate the the team to do something for him this season.
What I was really intrigued to know is that Arteta has always been known for innovative training additions, right? I remember a couple of seasons back when they were about to play Liverpool at Anfield, they'd installed speakers in the training ground to mimic the atmosphere of Anfield, right? मैंने आप पाजी कुछ वीडियो देखा जहां पर प्लेयर्स ट्रेन कर रहे हैं आर्सेनल के और पीछे फैन एडिट्स प्ले हो रहे हैं जो टिकटॉक इंस्टाग्राम यूट्यूब पे जो फैंस एडिट्स बनाते हैं ना हाइप एडिट्स एकदम ताबड़तोड़ वाले कि गोल मार रहे हैं प्लेयर्स और ये कर रहे हैं तो ये I just feel like why it's why do something out of the ordinary? I don't know. Have you ever heard about something like this before?
नहीं यार, ये टिकटॉक वाला तो पहली बार ही सुना है।
Hmm.
आई फील लाइक व्हेन यू आर एट दैट स्टेज ना, लाइक वो लोग अभी इतने हाई लेवल पे है, वो लोग को आप कैसे मोटिवेट कर सकते हो? You know, when you're already playing at such a high level and the mental pressure is such, like maybe there are some new ways that you need to come up with to motivate players. वो घिसे पिटे डायलॉग ये सब, मतलब पहले टीम टॉक ये सब वो लोग ऑलरेडी कर रहे होंगे एंड उससे मे बी दे आर नॉट गेटिंग समथिंग। तो आई फील लाइक कि अटेटा भी सोच रहा होगा कि यार कुछ ना कुछ एक्स्ट्रा करते हैं, play that Anfield music 2 years, 3 years ago.
Arteta has always been a manager to innovate, kind of be ahead of the curve in that sense. But यार कभी-कभी players को भी लगता है कि यार क्या मतलब क्या
होते होंगे
innovation
ऐसे, कुछ प्लेयर्स तो होते ही होंगे यार,
हाँ,
लाइक
ये क्या
देयर
कर रहे
माइट
हैं
बी
हम
सम
क्या
प्लेयर्स कि
करा रहे
भाई
हैं
देखो हम तो दिहाड़ी करने आए हैं, भाई दिहाड़ी करने दो हमें।
हाँ हाँ
ऐसे वाले भी होते होंगे एंड देयर माइट बी सम प्लेयर्स हु एक्चुअली विल बी इंट्रीग्ड
वो
एंड
appreciate
सम प्लेयर्स हु ऑलरेडी विल नो, क्या पता
हम्म
आर्टेटा ने ऑलरेडी बात किया उनसे कि देख भाई मैं ये करने वाला हूँ तो थोड़ा सपोर्ट देना।
अच्छा
So,
ऐसा भी
you
होता
know,
है
senior
हम्म
players को he might have pulled aside one or two players and
हम्म
be like, dude, I'm going to do this, so
हम्म
and
हम्म
just letting you know, maybe be supportive and stuff like that.
हम्म But yeah, I
So
mean,
let's
it's time for us to, since we're going to be putting this episode out before Arsenal versus City, it's time for us to make a prediction. We must put our necks out on the
prediction.
line. We must.
I am a lover of drama. I'm a lover of suspense.
So am I.
I'm a lover of let the race be
Go
there till
down
the end.
to the wire. So am I.
So let City win 2-1.
अरे बाप रे बाप. Okay, okay.
दो एक से सिटी जीत प्राप्त करे, ये हमारी अ,
इच्छा है.
भविष्यवाणी है।
भविष्यवाणी है कि
भविष्य
इच्छा है? अच्छा, भविष्यवाणी है. ठीक है.
इच्छा वाली भविष्यवाणी।
देखो इच्छाधारी लोग बहुत बैठे हैं जो चाहते हैं कि आर्सेनल टाइटल ना जीते क्योंकि उनको ऐसा लगता है कि अगर आर्सेनल टाइटल जीत गया देन आर्सेनल फैंस विल बिकम insufferable which I do not subscribe to. You know, I'm a Liverpool fan, right? And जब हमने
ऐसी एक टीम इंडिया में भी है, आपको पता है ना? ऐसी
हाँ
एक टीम इंडिया में
ऐसी एक टीम इंडिया में भी बहुत है जिन्होंने नहीं जीती है टाइटल. हो सकती है ऐसी टीम्स.
बहुत लोग चाहते हैं कि वो लोग ना जीते क्योंकि उनके फैंस भी ऐसे हो सकते हैं।
बट मजा तो उसी में आता है ना वो द नैरेटिव एंड मसाला
तो
एंड
लोग कमेंट में बताओ कौन है, कमेंट में।
हाँ वाह कमेंट में बताओ कमेंट में बताओ. तो ऐसा भी है बट आई व्हाट आई वाज सेइंग वाज इज दैट having been a Liverpool fan and having witnessed that title win, the 19th title win, and then 20th of course under Slot. But when we won the 19th ना यार एक आउटपोरिंग होती है जो आपने एक पूरी जनरेशन ने हमें टाइटल जीतते हुए नहीं देखा. तो नेचुरल है यार. लेट फैंस बी, लेट देम ब्रीथ अ लिटिल बिट, लेट देम एग्जिस्ट,
बस
लेट
कोविड भी था ना यार भाई, लाइक यू नीड टू रिमेंबर कोविड वाज
या
देयर एंड एवरीथिंग, ऑलरेडी पीपल भरे हुए हैं एंड दे वांट टू गेट आउट। सो
करेक्ट.
आई फील लाइक दैट वाज अ फैक्टर एज वेल।
दैट्स ट्रू.
सो एक्स्ट्रा मतलब थोड़ा कर ही देते हैं लोग।
Paji, since we've spoken about Arsenal City, moving on, there was another very big development. Arsenal, of course, have made it through to the next round of the Champions League. Sporting के साथ 0-0
Yeah,
draw भी था.
maybe.
मगर Real Madrid versus Bayern Munich, what a game! Chef's kiss. What a
Or
game!
the Bilbao one or the Munich one?
The Munich or the second leg. The second leg was the clincher. Can I tell you one thing? My observation before you come in. I love how Bayern Munich are breaking the mold here. People say that you need a young team, you need a team that has legs up. Bayern Munich का squad देख लो. You have players like Luis Diaz, you have players like Manuel Neuer, you have players like Harry Kane making up this Conrad Leimer, who is not a spring chicken himself. And these guys
Olise,
are, I mean, it's going against all modern footballing knowledge and logic that we have. Matlab, with that kind of a squad, they're putting out these kind of performances. Must make someone your age happy, wouldn't it?
I mean, nowadays, if you're like, age maybe is not a huge factor now.
Hmm.
In today's footballing environment, क्योंकि बहुत कुछ science backed आ गया है to push you to play more years if you're keeping yourself happy, healthy, and follow good habits.
Hmm.
So तभी players like Harry Kane, Manuel Neuer, all of these guys are playing still, and they are playing at the highest level. So
Right.
there's no surprise there. Like, although of course younger players are much fresher, better, and quick,
Sure.
sharp,
Sure.
but all these older players, they are keeping themselves fit, and also know that कि जितना भी है अपना experience के हिसाब से कर लेते हैं cover.
Hmm. Hmm.
But yeah, Manuel Neuer, can't forget Manuel Neuer. Huh?
Hmm. You have
What a
special
game
love
he
for
had
him in
in
your heart.
Bernabeu. What a game he had in Bernabeu.
That was
उधर
something
जाके उसने
else.
खाया और म्यूनिक में दिया पपाया.
यार वो तो अनफॉर्चुनेट था, अनफॉर्चुनेट था.
That's the life of a goalkeeper. If you want to know what a goalkeeper goes through, what his life is, that's the prime example. One game, prime Neuer, this Neuer, 40-year-old आ गया उसका एक हफ्ते में.
Hmm.
और म्यूनिक में when things don't work out, it's
That's what
it's like
happens.
that.
Yeah, yeah.
It can happen to even Neuer, who's playing in Bayern Munich Champions League,
Right,
40-year-old.
right,
Can
right.
happen.
Paji, word for Bayern Munich though. How impressed have you been with them this season, yeah? To kind of beat Real Madrid over two legs is no mean feat. And Vincent Kompany also, who many called him a failure of manager in the Premier League because he'd had a disastrous stint with Burnley. अब जाके भैया बायर्न म्यूनिख के साथ क्या क्या गुल खिला रहे.
Yes, yeah. Never take all these comments that seriously. The people who don't know much about like football in real,
Hmm.
about like someone's footballing knowledge, career, ye wo.
Hmm.
Uh, Bayern Munich must have seen something in company. That's why Bayern Munich
Yeah,
has signed him.
right.
It's not like uh, बर्नली से वो कॉवेंट्री चले गया या बर्नली से वो लीड्स यूनाइटेड चले गया या टुक अ स्टेप डाउन और समथिंग लाइक दैट. आई एम प्रीटी श्योर कि obviously you need the right tools also, na? Like as a manager, he might not have had the right tools for Burnley at that point in time,
Hmm. Hmm.
but
Hmm.
Bayern Munich में वो चीजें उसको प्रोवाइड हो गई
Hmm.
एंड क्लिक हो गया. It's
Right.
all about creating that atmosphere as a manager for a team where you can make the best winning combination
Sure.
and all the things. All good managers say that we just provide you solutions. You're the people who have to implement on the pitch.
Execute. Yeah, yeah.
So I'm pretty sure company is doing the same. He's just keeping everyone happy. He's given them a plan, solutions to problems on the pitch according to the opponent, and if you are good enough to implement them, you'll more often come out on. That's what football is. ये उसका कोई पर्सनल
Yeah.
नहीं है कि आज मैं मतलब इसको सिलेक्ट करूंगा, उसको सिलेक्ट करूंगा, ये करूंगा, वो करूंगा. So it's all about that, yeah. And I'm pretty sure that he's doing that very well there. It didn't click in Burnley, but it's clicking in Bayern Munich.
Are they your favorites for the title, for the Champions League title, Bayern Munich?
अरे यार, मैं ना उम्मीद लगाए बैठा था कि पीएसजी और bayern म्यूनिख का फाइनल हो.
अब
बट
तो नहीं हो
अब
सकता.
चलो सेमीफाइनल ही सही.
हाँ.
पर फाइनल में कौन आएगा? कहीं आर्सेनल ना आ जाए भाई.
क्यों? आपको भी उनके फैंस की आवाज नहीं सुननी क्या?
वैसे बड़ा मजा आएगा वैसे. लाइक आई मीन एज अ न्यूट्रल,
For the plot.
आर्सेनल वर्सेस bayern म्यूनिख, व्हाट अ फाइनल यार.
Yeah, yeah, 100%. Where's the final this year? Champions League final कहाँ है इस season?
It is in Budapest.
मैं एक बड़ा प्रसिद्ध गाना है, My house in Budapest, my hidden
Is
treasure
it in
chest.
Budapest? मैं ऐसे गेस मारा है.
Paji, we've kind of dissected both the Arsenal situation and the Champions League situation. Can we dissect the last two games for BFC as well? About missed opportunities, bhai. I feel like missed opportunities galore. Especially that game.
स्ट्रेस नोट्स देने वाले हो तुम मेरे को.
अरे भाई देखो, हम हंसी मजाक तो करते हैं, बट इन द इंटरेस्ट ऑफ स्पीकिंग अबाउट
Indian superstar.
एवरीथिंग, yes, in the interest of speaking about everything, we must touch upon it. Especially that game with the Kantirava, KBFC winning there for the first time ever. So big win for them.
Crazy, yeah, if you think about it. I mean,
Yeah.
almost क्या 10 साल हो गए. But when you think about it, how the manner of they win, like it took a red card and us to be 10 men down.
Yeah.
Then you know, obviously they got a win,
Yeah.
and we still had a chance to equalize and even
Yeah.
get more goals up. But it's one of those days, man. Like when you're on the back foot for so long,
Yeah.
and the left wear out eventually.
Hmm.
There's not much light that you can see, and the other team. I mean, to be fair, they were throwing everything at it,
Hmm.
knowing that कि we are one man down. तो उन्होंने foreign striker भी डाल दिया ये सब तो credit where credit is due. They took the advantage of our desperation and our situation,
Yeah.
and we didn't make enough of the opportunities that we had, and didn't keep them away from the goal, and you know myself also, like couldn't save the goals as well. So that's how football works, by it would have been great ki they never won in the Kantirapa for the you know
For BFC,
50
but
years,
yeah.
60 years,
Yeah.
but it is how it is. Things eventually happen.
Yeah.
The other day I saw Leeds United won against Manchester for the first time after 45 years
Hmm.
in United, so
Yeah.
in Manchester. Like
Yeah. Yeah.
things happen. Yeah.
Yeah.
So yeah, it was a tough game. It was a tough result to swallow, but the beauty of football is there's always a game coming up, and even though that game didn't work out that well,
Oof.
you know,
That
against
for me, the Bengaluru East Bengal game was one of the games of the season in for a neutral.
yeah, I mean, for a neutral, it's amazing. Yeah, like when there are many goals, six goals happening, and obviously the equalizer happening at the death,
Yeah.
and that too from a team who's 10 men down.
Yeah.
But yeah, man, like it was a let's say tough result,
Yeah.
uh, a good reality check for many of us in terms of what we need to do, what we have to do better.
Hmm.
And like I said, good game for the neutrals. Money's worth, I hope, for the people who came in the stadium. But I think a lot of work to do. A lot of work to do here.
Vijay, tell me something about this East Bengal side that you played. We've seen a different East Bengal this season. How do you rank them as with against previous iterations of the team? They look very,
On
very good.
paper, on paper, obviously, everyone knows that they've spent quite a bit of money in getting a lot of good quality players in. They are like, the foreigners. They have got good foreigners. एक Centre back, I forgot the name, Spanish. Then you have Miguel. Then you have
Yeah.
Crespo. Then you have the number 9. I forgot his name. He's very
As a
hardworking as
Jari,
well.
Yusuf as a Jari.
एज अ ठीक है. ऊपर से वो रशीद भाई भी है बीच में. ठीक है, वो मेरे को रशीद भाई देख मेरे को तो याद आता है मोरक्को का मिडफील्डर याद आ जाता है जो मैनचेस्टर में गया था.
Amrabat.
नाम भूल गया उसका. हाँ, अमराबाद और रशीद भाई ऐसे लग रहे थे भाई भाई है. तो ही वाज देयर एज वेल बट ही डिडंट प्ले. एंड you have top wingers in Bipin, and then you have Anwar Ali. All of these characters are there in the team.
Yeah.
So obviously you expect them to do well. So
Yeah.
expectation though high, I would say, obviously.
Hmm.
But as other team opponents, all you want to do is make life difficult for such
Yeah.
teams.
Yeah. And it was there for the taking, Paji. It was there for the taking, and that last minute goal must have felt like a real killer.
Of course, man. Like I mean, as that we disbelief bolo, but at the same point, it was like you know it's because they took advantage of our,
Yeah.
let's say, lack of discipline defensively, or चूक हो गई जो हमसे, क्योंकि
Hmm.
almost all the game goals that you see that, we were almost there defending it but couldn't defend it,
Right.
all
Right.
the goals happened, मतलब kind of second ball situation हो गया कि कॉर्नर आया, फर्स्ट क्लियरेंस नहीं हुई तो अनवर भाई ने
Hmm.
मार दिया अपना, पता
Yeah.
नहीं कौन सा पैर उड़ा दिया उधर से, ठीक है।
He's
सेकंड
also
बॉल
good.
भी मारा, दूसरा बॉल भी भाई के पास ही गिर गया सामने, उसने भी शूट मार दिया।
Hmm.
थर्ड
Hmm.
गोल भी ऐसे हुआ, क्रॉस आया, किसी का पैर में लग लुक के सामने गिर गया। तो all of these things, like we were so close but yet so far in terms of the result. But the only good thing is that we scored goals, and Indian players are scoring goals, which
Yeah.
is a great thing. Regardless of BFC, a lot of Indian players are scoring this year, which
Yeah.
is great for us, man. Great for us. Yesterday, I saw Farouk score goal as well in their last game,
Yeah.
Chennai's last game,
Yeah. Yeah.
and uh, I think a lot of Indian goal scorers this year, which is something that we should focus on as well.
Yeah. Very
I
good
mean, team.
goals. Very good goals scored by your Indian players, Ashik Kuranian and Ryan
यार
Williams.
देखो, साहल का गोल देखो, लिस्टन का गोल देखो,
हाँ.
लाइक अच्छे अच्छे गोल मारे। ऐसा नहीं है कि इंडियन प्लेयर्स आर नॉट लैकिंग इन गोल स्कोरिंग एबिलिटीज, इट्स जस्ट समटाइम्स यू डोंट गेट द अपॉर्चुनिटी टू
Yeah.
प्ले इन दोस
Yeah.
कंडीशंस,
Yeah.
फॉरेनर्स आ जाते हैं।
भाई आशिक ने कभी अपने राइट फुट से ऐसा गोल ट्रेनिंग में भी मारा है?
कभी नहीं, बेचारा वो ट्राई करते पर नहीं मिलता है, बट like we always tell him, I always tell him, देख भाई, जब तक like you won't score until you don't shoot,
Yeah.
it
Yeah.
doesn't matter, and that's what the message is to
Yeah.
players of his quality. Even though if you're watching from my opponent team's perspective,
Yeah.
अगर आप देख रहे हो शो, जो कि आपको देखना चाहिए क्योंकि हमें व्यूज मिलते हैं, तो भाई शूट करो। शूट नहीं मारोगे तो गोल नहीं होगा, गोल नहीं मारोगे तो तुम्हारी टीम को कुछ नहीं होगा। तो आई फील लाइक इट्स गुड दैट he is trying left, that is coming to his mind. Like that thing ना, if you don't get your chances that you don't try for,
Yeah.
इसीलिए
You miss 100% of the shots you don't take.
इसका हिंदी प्रवचन ला दो।
इसका हिंदी प्रवचन ये होगा, जो जो
आपको
शॉट आप
शून्य।
जो शॉट आप नहीं लेते हो, आप 100% वो आप चूक जा वो, अरे यार छोड़ो, लेट मी नॉट एम्बैरेस माय सेल्फ एनी मोर। अच्छा पाजी, बिफोर वी रैप अप, हम गिव अवे का विनर कब अनाउंस कर रहे हैं? नेक्स्ट एपिसोड में कर दें?
नहीं, मैं एक्चुअली आई वाज गोइंग थ्रू कमेंट्स, बड़ा प्यार दिया है लोगों ने। ये हमारे जो ये वाला सेक्शन है, टॉल टॉक्स,
यस।
उसका मतलब मोस्ट व्यूड वीडियो हो गया है और मोस्ट कमेंटेड। तो आई फील लाइक इतना प्यार मिला है, विच इज ग्रेट, एंड आई होप इट कंटिन्यूज, दैट पीपल
यस।
कीप वॉचिंग।
यस
तो
एब्सोल्युटली।
आई फील लाइक कि ये जो सिलेक्शन है वो आप करें, क्योंकि
बेशक।
आपकी आई, क्योंकि आई एम, मेरे तो कॉन्फ्लिक्ट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट हो जाएगा ना।
चलो ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं, मैं हम
मैं
सिलेक्शन कर
देखूंगा
देंगे।
किसने
पर
किसने सबसे अच्छा कमेंट किया है, ऑब्वियसली उन्होंने कुछ अच्छा ही लिखा होगा कि
भाई
आप
मेरे
ऐसे
पास तो
हो आप।
डीएम आ रहे हैं अलग अलग की, पूरी अपनी लोग हिस्ट्री बता रहे हैं कि आई हैव बीन अ फैन सिंस एक्स वाई जेड ईयर एंड प्लीज मेरा सिलेक्शन कर लो। तो ये बहुत मुश्किल होने वाला है, आई थिंक बैलेट निकालना पड़ेगा। कुछ तो बैलेट
हाँ,
भी।
ये देखो भैया, दोबारा दिखा देते हैं, ऐसा नहीं है, रेडी है।
हाँ रेडी है,
ठीक
देखो।
है, रेडी है भाई, सिलेक्ट करेंगे, ठीक है,
अगले हफ्ते।
और आपको बता, वी
अगले
कैन
हफ्ते के शो
प्रोबब्ली
पे।
पुट इट।
डन, विनर टू बी अनाउंस्ड ऑन नेक्स्ट वीक शो। डन डन डन। ठीक है बाजी।
भाई बताएंगे।
थैंक यू सो मच, अंटिल नेक्स्ट टाइम ऑन।
थैंक यू, प्लीज सब्सक्राइब, लाइक
सब्सक्राइब
एंड शेयर,
कीजिए
we'll make
कीजिए।
more, subscribe and you comment, we'll make more of this. It gives us a lot of
जो
मतलब पावर, हमें जोश मिलता है, हमें मोटिवेशन मिलता है, और आपका प्यार देख के मेरे को सुयश को मैसेज करना पड़ता है कि भाई शो कब करेंगे।
हाँ 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 हाँ, अच्छा इससे अच्छा ये नहीं बताना कि इससे पहले जो मैंने पूछा था 2 बार, हाँ ये नहीं बताना कि
नहीं, वो एक्चुअली जब रिजल्ट्स थोड़ा इधर उधर हो जाते हैं तो
हाँ, कोई बात नहीं,
थोड़ा
मैं भी समझ जाता हूँ कि यार चलो, गिव द मैन सम स्पेस। अभी आएगा, रिप्लाई आएगा, आएगा, आराम से आएगा, आराम से आएगा।
आएगा। क्योंकि पता क्या है, जीतो या हारो या ड्रॉ करो, आई फील लाइक इट्स गुड टू डू दिस एंड टॉक
100%।
अबाउट things because I mean, what's the point otherwise having a platform and not sharing your thoughts with the fans?
I love it. I love it, Paji. Two more such episodes. Let's go. Until next
Thank
time.
you very much. Until next time.
Alrighty.